All right, this is Capitalize coming at you with another ChatGPT Alteryx mashup. One of the things that I was thinking about is a lot of times you'll run across code inside of an Alteryx workflow. It might be R, might be Python, could be SQL, whatever. And a lot of times just trying to figure out what it's doing. It's pretty complicated. So as I look over here, right, maybe a data scientist wrote this or something, and I'm not that same person, or I don't know data science very well and I want to understand what this is doing. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this, and this is actually from the forest model macro that comes with Alteryx inside of the predictive tools. I'm going to take that code, I'm going to jump over to ChatGPT, and I'm going to say explain the R code, and then just paste it and see what it tells me here. So you can see this, it's pretty long, pretty complicated, and very quickly it understands what it is and starts to tell me that it's a random forest model in R. It's part of an Alteryx macro, and it begins explaining exactly what this random forest model R code is doing, which functions it's calling, which packages it's calling, etc. So pretty incredible that it can consume that much code in just a couple seconds and actually understand what it's doing and then come back with a specific explanation of what it does. So as you think about this, it could be that you have to document your code for IT or for auditors or for the next person who might use it, or if you're leaving the company, or if you just run across some code and you're not sure what it does. It's nice to be able to get a very quick English language response. And I've actually asked it to explain this a couple times, so here's another version of the same question, and then it wrote a slightly different response. So as you use ChatGPT, ask it different questions, different ways, use different verbiage as you fill out your questions, and you'll get different styles of responses. Even asking the same thing multiple times can be beneficial in that way. So again, pretty cool to be able to come into something this complicated and very quickly get at least an understanding of what it's doing without having to go line by line through this and figure it all out. So hopefully that's helpful. If you guys have any questions, obviously Capitalize is available. Be happy to help you out.